Good morning and welcome to our morning video. I hope that you had a fabulous night last night. And let's go ahead and get started with today. Ready? Get out your waving hand. Here we go. Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? How are you this morning? I am fine and I hope you are too. I am fine and I hope you are too. I am fine and I hope you are too. How are you this morning? Turn to your neighbor and wave your hand. Turn to your neighbor and wave your hand. Turn to your neighbor and wave your hand. Wave your hand this morning. Well, I am so excited because we're going to do something fun today with our activities. So let's go ahead and sing our Miss You song. Ready? Here we go. You are my family, my school family. I feel so happy when you are near. I hope you know, friends, how much I like you. When we're apart, I'll keep you here, right here in my heart. So, let's see what we're doing today and who the leader is. I think you're going to be surprised. Let's find out. Dear class, today Miss Mandy is the leader. I like to build with blocks. Today we are going to use blocks. Now that's interesting. Yes, I am the leader. Because I need to find another question to ask all of you. But I like to build blocks, and we're going to be using blocks, so whatever you have at home. So let's go ahead and read it, and then I'll tell you what we're going to do. You ready? Begin. Dear class, today Miss Mandy is the leader. I like to build with blocks. Today we are going to use blocks. Now that's weird. I used blocks twice. That is because, do you remember last Friday what we did with blocks? Think about it. We made it so we measured how tall something is. Today we're going to measure and see how long something is using blocks or shoes or books or whatever you have. And you're going to get to see a new place in my house that I haven't shown you because I have it all set up. You ready? Let's go. Alright, here we go. So we're going to go through here past the living room and into my room. So today we're going to be doing some measuring with blocks. In fact, notice I already have some set out on my bed, but we'll get to that in a minute. Today we're going to start right here. These are some things that you might have in your house already. Paper, a DVD, and I have a Switch, but you might have an Xbox or something else. And we are going to measure these. You ready? I have some Legos here ready to measure. I wonder how long this is going to be. Let's find out. Alright, I'm going to take it. I'm going to go on top of it. That way I can really see. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a little bit. So I call that 4.5 because a little bit, it's about half of that next block. Ooh, so that took 4.5 blocks long. Now let's see. I have little ones. I wonder how many of these little ones it will take. All right, here we go. I'm going to put it right next to it so that I can really get a good measure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh my goodness. So for the same length, it took 9 little blocks to 4.5 big blocks. That's interesting. I wonder if when we measure the DVD, are we still going to use more of the big blocks or more little blocks? All right, let's see. I'm going to measure. 1, 2. Oh, and it's one of those weird half ones again where it doesn't where it goes over the top. So I call that 2.5. All right, let's see how many little blocks it takes. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, 5.5, because once again, see how it goes off the top? That one took about 5.5 blocks. So this, once again, we use more little blocks than big blocks. All right, now for the switch. I wonder. Now this one's more long than it is the tall. So let's see how many it takes. Ready? 1. Oh, and it's that weird little half again. 1.5. So which one is the biggest? The paper, DVD, or switch? The paper is the biggest. It uses the most big blocks. And then the medium one is the DVD, and then the smallest is the switch. Now that's pretty cool, isn't it? All right, now we're going to move around over here. Now this is something you should have in your room or even somewhere in your house, is a bed. Let me see. Aha. There we go. So, let's see how many blocks long my bed is. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I'm going to grab the camera. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Whoa, my bed is 21 blocks long. Now which is the biggest? My bed, the paper, the switch, or the DVD? My bed is the longest so far. How long is your bed? Let me know. I want to know how long your bed is. All right, I have one more left. And this one I haven't done yet. I'm going to set you up. Let me make sure that you can at least see everything. The first. There we go. I'm going to measure and see how long my window seal is. And that you have some of these at your house too. How long is your window seal? All right, I'm going to take some blocks. I'm going to put them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Need some more. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Ooh, this might be just as big as my bed is, because my bed was 21. Let's see. 16, 17, 18, 19, and well, like 18 3/4, because that last one over there doesn't quite fit. So this is 18. Which is bigger, 21 or 18? When I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I hit 18 first. So 18 is smaller than 21. The window seal is shorter than my bed. Now, it's your turn. I want to see what you measure today. What will you do? Maybe you'll do your room. How long is your room? Or maybe I was going to do my cat, but he's sleeping. How long is your pet? What about a book or a bookshelf or even the kitchen counter? You get to now go and explore. How long are your things? Do you have something that's longer than my bed? More than 21 blocks? You find out. So, the last thing is for parents. Parents, I have put on Blooms a sign up for parent-teacher conferences. This will be done using an app called Zoom. Please go on Blooms and sign up, and then I will send you a link to use when it is the day and time. And if you have any questions about using Zoom, please call or text me, and I will get all that set up and help you with that. But other than that, I hope you have a wonderful day and a wonderful weekend, and I cannot wait to see what you do with blocks and what you measure. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you again on Monday. Bye.